Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2018 GMC Yukon? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 GMC Yukon houses fuses and relays that protect major engine and vehicle electrical systems. It controls functions like the cooling fan, fuel system, ignition, lighting, and other essential components. Instrument panel fuse box right side. The right side instrument panel fuse box in the 2018 GMC Yukon provides power protection for interior features. It controls systems like infotainment, power outlets, climate controls, and various convenience functions. Instrument panel fuse box left side. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the 2018 GMC Yukon manages electrical protection for driver-focused features. It supports functions such as lighting, power windows, seat controls, and key vehicle accessories. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2018 GMC Yukon powers and protects rear area systems. It controls features like the rear climate control, liftgate, trailer wiring, and additional passenger convenience functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.